चाहती हैं आपके लिए तो कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ।
ला 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 ला।
नॉक नॉक। अरे ये क्या बात है, चल रहा है यार। अरे
हाँ क्या क्या काम है वैसे?
बुलाना है कोई बात?
चलो ठीक है, जाओ।
हाँ तो चाहिए ना।
या प्लीज एक मिनट
Sir,
yes
who has been here?
please tell his parents that this is not the time to meet. Please they should visit in the visiting hours. Just put on the notice board.
Sir, but it's not a parent, neither a pupil. Who you
Not
are?
a parent, neither a pupil. Then who is he?
Sir, he's Mr. Ramesh Khurana.
I've never heard of this name. कैसा है, बेकार है या समझदार है?
बहुत समझदार है sir. He's very nice.
Might be someone from the inspector department. Please call, please call.
Yes, sir.
Hello sir, how are you? As boring as ever, or कुछ improvement हुआ है? Rana, I must say, can I talk to you for a few minutes?
May I know who you and how can I help?
Sir, my name is Ramesh. I'm neither a student nor a businessman. I'm a common man. I wanted to talk to you regarding something very, very important. So, could you please listen to me for a few minutes?
Yes, go ahead, but please make it fast.
Sir, I'm a student of the college. You can check the records.
Class records? How they came in this middle of this thing?
भूल गए ना सर, पढ़ाया लिखाया फीस ली, नौकरी वोकरी लगी नहीं, आज 17 साल बाद लौट के आऊँ तो भूल गए ना, यही बस यही वजह है।
Still, what's related to all this?
Sir, cut it short. The simple thing is, I want my refund.
What?
The refund of the fee which I paid 17 years back.
Refund of your fees?
Yes, sir.
Are you in your senses? What are you talking?
Sir, refund, semester fee, tuition fee, tax, interest, सब कुछ जोड़ के, the total refund fee, I want it back.
I'm not sure what are you saying, but this is not possible. How will you do this? कैसे होगा?
सर सब पॉसिबल है और सब पॉसिबल हो जाएगा। आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में आकर मैंने कुछ नहीं सीखा, अपना पूरा टाइम बर्बाद किया, 17 साल हो गए, अभी तक सीखा हूँ, कोई नौकरी नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है, मुझे सिर्फ पैसे चाहिए, पूरी फीस वापस दो।
देखिए ये सब पॉसिबल नहीं है।
सर तो पॉसिबल है, अभी एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर को जाके लेटर लिखूंगा ना, सब पॉसिबल हो जाएगा। I would not let it go very easily, sir. Please remind.
देखिए ऐसी कोई बात नहीं, नहीं बैठिए आप। देखिए हम इसको इस तरह से कर सकते हैं। Let end it here itself. Then you should go now.
करोगे ना सर?
देखिए मुझे इसके अपने आपका काफी केपेबल और केबल है।
सर कोई केपेबल आदमी नहीं हूँ मैं, मेरी फीस चाहिए, मेरे पास कितनी बार बोल चुका हूँ, आप मेरे को घुमा के जा रहे हैं।
ठीक है, I have to talk to my management and department of teachers.
Do whatever you want, make it fast.
Okay, then wait outside and let me know what's happening.
अरे बाबू जी हो,
नहीं, sir, पर ये चाहते क्या हैं? Refund? पर refund होगा कैसे?
परेशान रहते हो?
सर आपको बुला रहे हैं, आप कैसे करेंगे? Refund, but कैसे पता चलेगा कि capable है या नहीं?
कैसे करोगे तुम्हें
वो
रिपोर्ट?
सुनने को तैयार है मेरी बात, कह रहे हैं टीचर से बात करेंगे, टीचर से बात करेंगे। एक मिनट, मेरे पास एक आइडिया है। आप ऐसा करो, अपने टीचर्स को बुलाओ और एक री एग्जामिनेशन करो। मैं उस एग्जामिनेशन फेल होगा, ये प्रूव हो जाएगा मैं बिल्कुल केपेबल नहीं हूँ और ये वापस।
री-एग्जामिनेशन?
जी सर।
How unfortunate. यहाँ बच्चे एग्जाम देना नहीं चाहते तो इनको री-एग्जामिनेशन दीजिए।
सर पैसा चाहिए पैसा, that's all about it।
देखिए ये सब पॉसिबल नहीं है, मैं आपको फिर बताना चाहता हूँ। फिर भी अगर आपको लगता
मैंने
है
आपसे बोला था ना एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री वाली
ठीक है
बात।
ठीक है ठीक है, मैं अपने टीचर से बात करता हूँ। आप बात करिए।
काम कराना नहीं कराना, यहाँ पे चक्कर काटते रहोगे, तुमको पता भी है कौन कैसा काम करता है। प्रिंसिपल साहब कहीं और बिजी रहते हैं, जूली मैडम कहीं और बिजी रहती है, तुमको पता समझ में नहीं आता है काम कराना नहीं करना। बताओ मैं भूल तो बचपन से ही कभी काम काम
काम कराने का तुम्हारी औकात की बात।
क्या बोल रहे? देखो बंदा कौन बहुत कुछ कर सकता है, कुछ बात नहीं, कुछ बोलने वाला
Hey, good morning everybody. Please have a seat. How are you? So, today I want to discuss a very serious matter with you all. Today I encountered a thing which has happened for the first time in my life, 30 years of my career. An ex-student of our college, he came to me and he asked for a refund of his fees. What?
How is it possible?
I don't know myself, but he is asking for the refund of 17 years back thing. आप लोग की क्या राय है इस बारे में? आप क्या सोचते हैं? कैसे करें इस चीज़ को?
I feel the case is genuine. The conservation law of theory says that any people in any period will lose all their knowledge, whatever is given to him by his teachers. Whatever may be the situation, I think the case is genuine.
But nothing like that mentioned in the civilization. Okay, अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो इंसान ना कभी सीखता ना कभी भूलता. That is astonishing.
But the question is whether he wants refunds with simple interest or future value, including inflation or not. But if he wants to include inflation, he wants in Indian terms or world average.
Where is this Mr. Ramesh?
He is waiting outside. Actually, what he wants is a re-examination. उसको लगता है कि एग्जाम में फेल होके दिखा देगा कि उसको कुछ नहीं आता है और वो सारे पैसे ले लेगा. क्या what do you guys feel about this? कैसे करें?
What re-examination? See, we think we should definitely ensure that this guy passes the exam. If it does not pass the exam, it will be a big problem for us. हमें अच्छी तरह समझना होगा कि ये इंसान बहुत ही बनावटी है और ये पैसे के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता है.
But how, sir? How is it possible?
I have a solution. We all have to stick together and support each other. Be confident and we have to make sure that he definitely passes the exam.
And I would like you to support this. I think no matter what he answers, we'll try to justify his answers and we'll make it sound correct.
But he can't decide करेगा.
मैं करूँगा, प्रिंसिपल सर, अगर आपकी परमिशन हो तो.
Please go ahead.
Let us proceed. हमारा ये आदमी समझता है कि ये बहुत स्मार्ट है. We'll show him what we are. चलिए मिलते हैं फिर आपसे भी.
This is still very difficult. Very doubtful क्या होगा. चलिए मिलते हैं. आप लोग कहते हैं तो.
Sir, don't worry, I'm handling it.
So we'll manage.
ठीक है. Secretary,
Yes, sir.
please call Mr. Ramesh.
Yes, sir. Mr. Ramesh?
So you are Mr.
Yes, sir. I am Mr. Ramesh.
How are you today?
I am fine. How are you all, loafers? याद होगा कि सर की तरह भूल गए. याद हुआ? चलो चालू करो. चालू करो ये सब. कितने क्वेश्चन
ये मिस्टर रमेश ये चाहते हैं कि हम लोग एक री-एग्जामिनेशन लें इनका और ताकि अपनी चीज़ आपको दे सकें. आप बताएं कैसे करें इस चीज़ को प्रोसीड करें.
So should I start with the first question?
you, Mr.
Don't try to talk to me, huh?
I am really sorry. Go ahead.
See, copy. I don't like this attitude.
ठीक है मैं
If I am not a good student,
Next
let
time
me
you copy.
प्लीज प्लीज
I-
सुब्रमण्यम प्लीज.
Okay. So my first question is, what was the duration of the 30-year-long war which was held in Germany from 618 to 1648?
No cheating.
Sir, tell me not to, sir.
हाँ प्लीज.
But the answer is sir, can you please repeat the question? 62?
I'm sorry. Please. You have to give the answer.
60 to 70. Sir, the answer is 2 meters. Yes, I'm right. The answer is 2 meters.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, sir.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Answer is 2 meters. This is correct.
Yes. I must tell you guys, this man is having substantial amount of testimony. Not only supervision but substantial amount of testimony. And the answer 2 meters is correctly based on the theory of.
Relativity.
Yeah.
So relativity theory by Einstein. It's so simple, of course. So Einstein की theory कहती है time is equal to space plus matter. और atom को अगर reduce किया जाए तो उसको unit of ES के terms में लाया जा सकता है और उसके बाद उसको meters के terms में express कर सकते हैं.
मतलब ये गलत बोल रहे हैं.
Because
Because for 30 years, right? But it was thought only for 12 hours a day. That makes 30 years equal to 15 years. And again, if we take into account the amount of time spent on eating, sleeping, it comes down to 2 years, which can easily be converted to 2
examination, so don't joke around. अब मैं तुमसे 2 सवाल पूछूंगा.
आप याद गए नहीं ये क्वेश्चन
अगर एक hard exam होगा तो I will definitely pass you. But let's come to finance. Your third part is finance. Let's see how you crack it. So the distance of Earth from Mars is x meters, and the distance of Sirius star from Sun is y meters. And there's a polyhedral quadrilateral which has 9 sides, and there's a boy in Amazon which owes $20,000 to a farmer. So what is the value of beta?
Sir, don't do like this, please.
wait a minute can you please repeat the question
No. ये सब नहीं चलेगा.
कौन सा difficult question I know the answer. The answer is 2,628 liters.
Aha! Wrong answer.
Sir?
Don't
What the answer is 2690. Even he is 110% wrong, but he is wrong. So wrong is wrong. He is failed. I don't think he can pass this exam.
Sir.
I give him fail.
Sir, check.
सर हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट की कोई इज्जत है, कोई सम्मान है, हमें वो मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. अगर ये पास नहीं कर पा रहा तो नहीं कर पा
He's
रहा.
right, sir, check.
How much?
This is what do you really think?
Yes, sir, check.
Yes,
हाँ, जरूर है.
Sir, how much money do you owe him?
I tell you. Sir, I tell you. Sir, considering the inflation which has been continuously growing at the speed of 7.5% per year, and if you consider the semester fee which was 5,000 rupees at that point of time, adding on the quarterly security fee, it all goes up to, I think, sir, 10,22,008 rupees 56 paise. So this is the difference. क्या कैलकुलेट करो सर सही है
Exactly. ये तो बिल्कुल सही
बोलिए
जवाब
ना
है.
सर सही है
Exactly. That was my difficult question.
व्हाट डिफिकल्ट
Come
क्वेश्चन
on, come on.
Mr. Ramesh, you not only just passed your exam, you answered such a difficult question that shows that